Yo, Z, smile. I ain't just taking a picture, I'm just recording.
Yo, you know how you do it, troublemaker. Out here in Hood City, man, you know, about y'all going on and whatnot. So, and, this thing coming soon, troublemaker album coming soon. So, go ahead and get ready. About to blow your mind. You know I'm gonna win anyway. You know, the rest of them, coach there. I'm gonna win.
Alright. Trent, what's your opinion about tonight? You think you're gonna win or what?
I mean, to be honest with you, it don't matter about win, lose. I mean, we just out both having fun, man. This is what most folks do about hanging out with the homies.
He's still gonna lose.
Now that I see they're stuck anyway. So the only reason why he did it because he's good. That's all it is.
Hey. You talking shit about me? You talking shit about me? Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is 467?
467, wouldn't that be fun? Yeah, that's not.
Oh. I said, that nigga weak, man. That nigga ain't gonna do shit, cuz. Hey, man, I'm gonna whoop his ass. I'm gonna bust his ass tonight. Now, I'm gonna bust his ass. I'm gonna bust Eddie's ass. I'm gonna bust that shell ass. You have your talent, but we gonna see. We gonna see then.
We will see.
We gonna see.
Out
now,
there.
I'm gonna bust that ass. I'm gonna bust your ass.
My ass.
While I'm busting your ass, I'll be sitting me some lemonade while I'm busting that ass.
Hold up.
So, go ahead.
He just said he gonna bust my ass. That ain't happening. It ain't happening, Captain. No way, no how is that happening? I'm gonna at least try to put up a fight tonight. What?
Anyway, like I said, I'm busting everybody's ass tonight. You too, I'm gonna make y'all proud.